Heard you want a meal prep. Come on in. So right now, my work schedule, I work 7 and 7. So I'm gonna prepare for the next 3 to 4 days. And I do this every Tuesday. So, you know, that'll prepare me for the next 3 days to end the week out. What I like to do is use an air fryer. I'll do some chicken breasts and I'll just throw them in there with some salt and pepper, whatever seasoning you like. And then you would also probably put it on for about 390, 20 minutes, turn it over halfway through, cut it open, make sure it's cooked, and that's it. Spray some Pam on the chicken, spray some Pam on the, you know, the little tray, pull it out, and that's go. As far as vegetables go, I like to either do green beans or sweet potatoes, for the simple fact that I used to do zucchini and all that, but I don't like, you know, skinning all that stuff. And I could put that in a, what's it called? The green beans I could put in an Instapot. All you do, put some olive oil in there, drop some pink Himalayan salt, put the green beans in there. I buy a bag from Walmart and just saute them down till you're good. Or you can pressure cook them for like, I don't know, 5-6 minutes. And so that'll be for my vegetables, my greens. I used to do zucchini and all that, but it's too much cutting up and chopping. Ain't nobody got time for that. So other than that, what you can use the Instapot for is sweet potatoes. I like to just put the little tray in there, pour a cup of water just so it's underneath the sweet potatoes. 15-16 minutes, pa-ya, boom, it's coming out like candy, baby. So that's some good quick tips. I'll also do in the Instapot on saute some ground meat. I do grass-fed beef, the lean version, usually 93.7. You can find them at Walmart. Bison ground meat's pretty good. I stay away from turkey. You could have turkey. You want to stay away from those fatty red meat. People are always worried about red meat and freaking out over red meat. Just get the you know, the lean one. You want to look lean? Eat lean. Come on, huh? It's not that hard.